Alright everybody, it's Alan Thomas, and I got a quick question for today. Do any of you remember what the first picture that you drew was? Or do you remember what the first thing that you ever drew was? I don't know why it just occurred to me to ask that question. I don't even know what makes me want to ask that, but I recently looked back at a picture that I drew last year, Sub-Zero. I think I redrew an old picture of Sub-Zero. It made me remember that Sub-Zero was the first thing that I ever remember drawing in life. I remember my brother had an EGM magazine, the old, what was it, Electronic Gaming Monthly. It had Sub-Zero on the inside when they had, it was a picture of Sub-Zero when they had the Mortal Kombat ninjas with like the pointy tops to the ninja mask. I guess it looked like the Batman look or whatever, I don't know why, but Sub-Zero was in the magazine and I remember seeing it because my brother used to draw, and you emulate what I guess your other siblings and cousins and adults and stuff do. When I was a kid, my brother used to draw, and so I saw the picture of Sub-Zero and I liked Sub-Zero, so I figured like, what the hell, I'll try to draw him. And it sucked. Oh, I wish I still had that picture. If I tried to replicate how bad the drawing was now, I don't think I'd be able to do it justice. But it was like 93 when I first drew that picture. God, it was a long time ago and that picture was horrible. And I was still a little kid at the time. Man, that picture sucked. But it's like I've come a long way since then. It's like my art ain't perfect, but it's not that. So at least I've gotten better over the last 20 some odd years, right? But I was just curious, like, do any of you remember what the very first thing you ever drew was? Like I say, I guess that was an omen for the rest of my life because I'm still drawing Sub-Zero to this day, but that was literally the first thing I ever remember drawing with Sub-Zero. Like the first drawing I could ever remember when I picked up a pencil and paper and tried to draw for the first time ever. It was a crappy drawing of Sub-Zero. God, I don't even know if he had like eyes and nose in the picture. Oh my God. It was bad. I wish I still had that picture. Hell, if I knew I'd be drawing 20 years later, I probably would have kept it. But what was the first picture you all drew? Leave a comment and let me know what it was, and let me know what you thought of the picture, or can you remember how bad it looked, or if it looked bad at all. But just let me know what your first picture that you ever drew was. All right, I'm out.